Bobby Chiu here. I'm an artist. I work on movies, animation, I have my own Emmy-winning TV show, run my own studio, art school, and a bunch of other things. If you've been taking any classes in the past, just to let you know, if you haven't gotten better or you didn't actually learn anything that was applicable, I want to tell you, first of all, it's probably not your fault. A bad teacher can be worse than having no teacher at all. They could tell you that something's not possible, and then you accept it and you never try. So everything that I'll be teaching you is from my own experience. Things that I've only learned through hard knowledge that can be obtained through actually going through it. I used to be afraid of putting my full efforts into my art career. What if it ends up being a big waste of time? Until I started to understand and I started to meet people that had that hard knowledge that I was talking about, that gained it through actual experience. When you learn from successful people, that has a far bigger chance of success. We just need the right person to teach us in the right way. Many of the big schools would love for you to think that it's necessary to go to a big, expensive school to have an incredibly successful art career. Yet just about every successful artist will say that there's many different ways to do it. And most of what people learn, including myself, we say that we learned it not in school, but outside of school, after school, from people that were actually doing the thing that we want to do. Again, people with the hard knowledge obtained through actually doing it. And art education teaches you how to draw and paint. It may teach you a little bit about how to negotiate, write emails to producers or directors, look at contracts, network, but generally it doesn't teach you enough about business, in my opinion. Not just how to survive as an artist, but how to thrive. Right? I want to teach you practical things that you can do to truly thrive like I have for more than the past 15 years. Something that I ask everyone is, if you could have any kind of life, any kind of project to work on, what would that be? Be specific. Don't be afraid of thinking big. Those projects, that life, think big. I'm not just going to tell you that it's possible. I want to tell you that I've accomplished these dreams of working for my favorite director, like Tim Burton, my favorite studios like DreamWorks, Disney, Pixar, Sony, Netflix, you name it, and living a life that I want to live, traveling the world on my terms. And there's a methodology to it, and that's what I'm going to be teaching. It's all very much possible. This workshop is for any artist. For senior artists, people that have been around for a while, when you take this workshop, you'll be able to get up to date with how things may have changed since you started, and how to take full advantage of that. For new professionals with less than 5 years of experience, you'll learn how to create a great rock-hard foundation financially, so you won't have to worry about what retirement is going to look like for an artist. For students, you'll learn the ultimate plan to achieve an incredible career, since you most likely possess the most valuable thing known to the world, time. And everyone will learn how I talk and communicate and negotiate, because, like my father always told me, life doesn't give you what you deserve, son. It gives you what you negotiate. It's through these lessons, these techniques, strategies, and habits that I'll be sharing that I feel has allowed me to work with my favorite directors like Tim Burton, or co-create an Emmy-winning TV series while traveling the world, maintaining strong relationships at the same time with family and friends, while also doing extremely well financially. It's not because I have something special that others don't. It's because of certain choices I've made, strategies and actions I've taken that have allowed me to get to where I've gotten. This is the best part. I can still remember what it was like to get from point A to point B, from the very start, graduating from college or feeling invisible at work. I've had many requests to do this workshop or a workshop like this over the years. Well, this will be live only, so I hope to see many of you there. How to register? All you need to do is get a Schoolism subscription, and you'll be able to attend this workshop for free. You want to subscribe by November 3rd, 2021, and you'll be given instructions on November 4th to access this workshop. Not only that, but with a Schoolism subscription, you'll instantly have access to an entire library of courses from such incredible artists like Helen Mingju Chen, Iain McCaig, Terryl Whitlatch, Craig Mullins, Airi Pan, Nathan Fowkes, Jamila Knopf, Dai Tsutsumi, Robert Kondo, and so much more. All these people successful in their own ways, people that have, again, that hard knowledge for you to thrive. So hope to see you all there. Now go to schoolism.com and register for a Schoolism subscription today.